Good morning and welcome back to our computer class. Today we are going to continue with lesson number 7, that is working with layers. Till now we are knowing what are layers, okay, what is their use, how to create layers, and we have done the masking effect also. Today we are going to learn onion skin tool. Now what is that onion skin tool? Okay. So if you want to show the movement to any of your object, then you can use this onion skin tool. It will show you the last movement and show you the present image. Okay, so let us see how to do onion skin tool. Now onion skin tool allows you to see a faint ghost image. Okay, faint image मतलब धुंधली से दिखती है image, और ghost image means it is not present. Ghost image of the previous frame. Okay, so you are going to, if you are going to apply onion skin tool, you are going to see the faint image of previous frame. Okay, faint image, धुंधली सी पहले वाली image दिखाई देगी, so that you can put the next movement to our object. Now these are the tools of your onion skin tool. Okay, now this is your center frame, ये onion skin button, this is your onion skin button, onion skin outline button, edit multiple frame buttons, modify onion marker buttons, and the current frame. Now let us see how to do that. Yes, by clicking on onion skin button, you can see several frames before and after the frame. Now we are going to create an animation by using your onion skin tool. Now you have to draw a bird as shown in the figure. Okay, with the brush or your pencil, freehand drawing से एक bird को draw करना है. Now this is our bird. We want to give the animation effect which will be showing that bird is flying. Okay, now we are going to color it, and now we are going to click on this tool, onion skin tool. Right click on the frame 2 and select insert keyframe. Okay, now first keyframe is there, second keyframe पर select करके insert keyframe, or you can press F6 key. Choose the selection tool and double click on the bird. Move the bird slightly. Okay, so we have moved the bird in the next frame. First frame से थोड़ा सा place उसका change किया. Click on the stage to deselect the bird. Bird is deselected now. By selecting, we have changed the place. Now on the, when you get an angle symbol, okay, below the arrow, जब आप select करते हैं तो एक आपका angle symbol दिखाई देता है below the arrow. Then drag the wings to the different angle. See, now this part, this is your, जो ये faint image दिखाई दे रही है पीछे वाली, this is your onion skin tool. Okay, previous frame दिखाई दे रहा है, and now you have changed the position. Click on the frame 3, press F6. Okay, now we are on the frame 3. Third movement दिखाने के लिए we have pressed F6 to insert keyframe. Similarly, move the wings to any other place. See, repeat the steps to insert keyframes from frame 4 to 20. Means you have to insert how many frames? 20 frames. Okay, and you are going to show the movement. of the bird flying by selecting it and moving it to the angle, and you are going to see the previous image of the frame. Previous frame, you are going to see it in the faint ghost image. Now make changes in each new frame. You have made changes in that. Okay. Now you can see the movement of the bird. That bird is flying. Now you are going to do loop back, loop playback. Okay, so it will be repeatedly doing it. Control, then your play. See, your bird is flying. Okay. So this is your onion skin tool. Now this tool is useful when you are going to show the movement of the object. Like you are going to move a boy and you want to change the hands and the legs movement, then you can use it. You want to show the butterfly flying, so then you can use this onion tool. So this is useful when you are going to do the movement. So it will show you the previous frame and you can easily make the changes in the current frame. Okay, so that's all for this lesson. We have completed this lesson. In this lesson we have learned how to insert layers, how to rename layers, how to delete layers, how to hide layers, how to rearrange the layers. Then we have done your masking effect. Okay, and then we have done your onion skin tool. So points at the glance. Layers are like the transparent sheets that can hold object and are stacked on the top of each other. Stack मतलब एक दूसरे के ऊपर रखा रहता है, stack. The active layer is highlighted in the timeline and indicated with the pencil icon. Mask in the flash is often used to create a spotlight effect that you would like to display the text through a hole. Onion skin tool allows you to see the faint ghost image of the previous frame. So, do work with layers, create your own animations, create your stories and send that animation, send that recording to me. I'll be very happy to see your animations, to see your creativity in Flash. That's all for this lesson. If you are having any doubt in this lesson, you can ask it in the comment box also or on my personal number.